Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Dualshock 3 battery is probably one of the most essential components for any PlayStation 3 gamer. A failing battery can ruin your gaming experience, leading to frustrating disconnections and interruptions. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Dualshock 3 batteries, exploring the best options available, and helping you make an informed decision to keep your controller powered up and ready for action. Number 5. Pickle Power PS3 Controller Battery. Introducing the Pickle Power PS3 Controller Battery. This is a replacement battery for your Sony PlayStation 3 Dualshock 3 controller. It will keep you gaming longer. This battery is compatible with SEXC 2E and SEXC 2U controller models. Make sure the plug size is 4.5 mm before you buy. It's designed to fit perfectly. Each battery is 3.7 V, 1800 mAh. You'll receive 2 batteries, a USB cable, and a tool set. The tools will be sent randomly. Enjoy a longer battery lifespan with premium grade A cells. It has no memory effect, so you can recharge it anytime. Use the included USB cable to charge the controller. Just plug it into your console or computer. This will extend the use time of the controller. The product is CE certified and tested to meet OEM standards. It has multiple circuit protections for your safety. This ensures reliable performance. What we like. This battery pack comes with a USB charging cable, which is super convenient. It also boasts a longer battery lifespan, perfect for extended gaming sessions. If you are looking for a reliable battery with added convenience, you should consider this one. What people say. Product works as promised. Worked as expected for Dualshock 3. All you have to do to remove the OEM battery, which for me was made by Toshiba, and remove the bracket that was holding that battery. Then you will be left with a bigger plastic frame that will fit exactly this battery. It fit as expected, and the connector was an exact match to the OEM Sony Dualshock 3. Before putting the controller back together, I pressed the PS button to make sure the battery works, and it did. Easy to replace, exactly the same size and connector as the original PS3 batteries. The screwdriver and shim are really useful as well. I was delighted to see that the USB cable they came with will let you charge the controllers in parallel with the original charger on the PS3's front USB ports. I found PS3 controllers to be finicky about where and how they charge. I bought 2-2 packs for my 4 old controllers and all were perfect. My old batteries were charging slow, dying fast and slightly bulged, so I'm glad to get rid of them. Number 4. Batmax PS3 Controller Battery Replacement. Introducing the Batmax replacement battery for your Sony PS3 controller. This will bring your controller back to life, so you can keep playing. This battery is compatible with various Sony PlayStation 3 6-axis and Dualshock 3 controllers. It works with models like SEXC 2E and SEXC 2U. The battery has a 1800 mAh capacity and 3.7 V voltage. It uses premium grade A cells for a longer lifespan, and it has no memory effect. This battery is built with multiple circuit protections. It protects against overcharging, short circuits, high temperatures, and surges. The package includes 2 batteries, a tool, and a cable. Get yours today and enjoy uninterrupted gaming. What we like. This battery offers multiple protection features, ensuring safety during use. It's also tested by the manufacturer to match OEM standards. If you value safety and reliability, you should definitely consider it. What people say. Easy to install and brought my old controllers back from the dead. They work great now and hold a charge for a long time. Fur and work very well. If you have original Sony remote that have died, they will work and fit perfectly. Batteries were easy to install and have better life than original, and nice little screwdriver and cable. Number 3. MPF PS3 Controller Battery Replacement with Tools. Is your PS3 controller battery not holding a charge anymore? This replacement battery is the perfect solution. It will bring your controller back to life. This battery is compatible with Sony PlayStation 3 Dualshock 3 wireless controllers, specifically SEXC 2E and SEXC 2U models. It's designed to fit perfectly. This is a 3.7 V 600 mAh Li-ion rechargeable battery pack. It provides reliable power for your gaming sessions, so you can play longer. The package includes free installation tools, making the replacement process easy. You don't need to be a tech expert to install it. It comes with a 1-year replacement warranty. You can rest assured knowing that this product is backed by a guarantee. If there are any issues, they've got you covered. MPF Products is a registered trademark. This product is a reliable replacement for your controller's battery. What we like. This battery includes free installation tools, making replacement a breeze. It also comes with a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. If you are a beginner and want a worry-free purchase, you should consider this. What people say. I put these in with little problem and the controllers lit right up, took a charge, and are working fine, very happy. The battery is the same size and shape as the one that came out. I have the controller with the white frame attached to the board and it fits in it perfectly. These work great. I replaced the battery in a Dualshock 3, it wouldn't last 4 hours on a full charge. This fit perfectly, and holds a charge well. It takes around 2 hours to completely charge. I get the 0 battery life warning at around 16 hours. The controller dies around 23. Complete with flashing LED on the controller and full rumble support the entire time. Number 2. Starnovo PS3 Controller Replacement Battery. Tired of your PS3 controller dying mid-game? This replacement battery is here to help. It's designed specifically for your DualShock 3 and 6-axis controllers. This battery is compatible with several models, including SEXC2E and SEXC2U. It's a perfect fit for your controller, ensuring seamless performance. This battery is fully compatible with the original. You can expect the same performance and reliability as the original battery. With a 1250 mAh capacity and 3.7 V, it provides long-lasting power. You can enjoy extended gaming sessions without interruptions. This Li-ion polymer battery is safe and reliable, certified by UL, CE, UN 38.3, and RoHS. It has over 300 cycle life and comes with a 180-day warranty. Get back to gaming with this reliable replacement. It offers a long working time, so you can enjoy your games for hours. What we like. This battery offers a 180-day warranty, giving you ample time to test it out. It's also a safe and reliable choice, certified by multiple safety standards. If you are looking for a battery with a good warranty and safety certifications, you should consider it. What people say. Easy job. Works great. Number 1. PowerTrust PS3 Controller Battery 2-Pack. Tired of your PS3 controller dying mid-game? This PowerTrust 2-Pack battery is the perfect solution. It ensures you can keep playing without interruption. Each battery boasts a 1800 mAh capacity, providing extended playtime. This means more hours of gaming fun before needing to recharge. This battery is compatible with various Sony PlayStation 3 DualShock 3 controllers. It works with models SEXC2E and SEXC2U, among others. It's designed to fit perfectly. The package includes a screwdriver and a USB cable. It's easy to remove the old battery and replace it with the new one. The process is quick and straightforward. You'll receive 2 replacement batteries, a USB cable, and a tool set. Everything you need is included to get you back in the game. This set has everything you need. PowerTrust products are CE certified and tested to meet OEM standards. You can trust the quality and reliability of this product. It's a safe and dependable choice. What we like. This battery boasts a high 1800 mAh capacity, ensuring longer playtime. It comes with tools for easy installation, making the replacement process simple. If you are looking for a high-capacity battery with easy installation, you should consider it. What people say. Super happy with these. I got my old PS3 back to life without having to get new controllers that aren't as good as the originals. Easy swap out and 3 times the life. All the tools you need and quick shipping. Very easy to install and work as advertised. My PS3 controllers work like new. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.